कबीर ने अपनी जर्नी 1 साल में ही चालू कर दी थी, 1 साल 2 महीने के। व्हेन आई गिफ्टेड हिम, आई टुक अ बोल्ड डिसीजन कि मैं 4 साल के बच्चे का नॉर्मल साइकिल उसको गिफ्ट दूँ। एंड he started with understanding how to navigate inside the house, handle and handle the cycle in a way. He never banged anyone, surprisingly, not in the house, not anywhere else. He was very stable and balanced, and he has tried many cycles. He has tried a balancing cycle. 1 साल के बच्चे को मुश्किल से पैर भी रखना आता है साइकिल पे, बट इसके जो फर्राटेदार चलाना था हर किसी को सोसाइटी में इसने इम्प्रेस किया है इस चीज़ से। एंड सडनली द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस रिकॉर्ड इज़ आई जस्ट रियलाइज़ कि वो सडनली बिना सपोर्ट के एकदम मज़े में चला रहा है, एकदम मस्ती चल रही है, एन्जॉय कर रहा है। एंड देन ये रिकॉर्ड के जो डिटेल्स आए कि कैसे भरना है, क्या भरना है, उस रिकॉर्ड के टाइम पे वो मज़े कर रहा था, वो एन्जॉय कर रहा था कि साइकिल चलाने में कंपटीशन नहीं, प्रेशर नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बस ही वाज एन्जॉइंग how he is riding the cycle and the way he turned with speed breakers and everything. This record means a lot to me. He's a child by choice. I am a single mother by choice. He's a IVF kid. And I feel it is validated now that I'm doing good, okay job as a parent, as a single parent. मैं अपने बच्चे को working mom होते हुए उसका ध्यान दे पा रही हूँ, इसका कहीं तो इस रिकॉर्ड से वैलिडेशन होता है। थैंक यू सो मच।
हेलो मैम।
हाय मैम।
वेलकम टू IBR। मैम, अपनी ये जर्नी के बारे में बताइए और आपने क्या रिकॉर्ड बनाया?
So इसने रिकॉर्ड बनाया है।
ओके, कबीर ने।
Yes,
That's
record
wonderful.
3. Yeah, so he has done 1.66 kilometers in 6.48 minutes on a normal cycle, like
Okay.
cycle without support and.
ट्राईसाइकिल नहीं था वो?
No, it was
Okay.
not a tricycle. I never got a tricycle.
हाँ।
I have always got him. I have always got him a balancing cycle and various other cycles that he loves.
बाइसिकल, सिंपल, नॉर्मल।
Not
Okay.
tricycle at all. No tricycle.
Okay.
And his record is done in a way where he was most happy, enjoying how he was enjoying that little what do you say, curiosity that he's able to. So that was his moment, kind of, where this record has actually happened.
Right.
And that's the best part about this record, that it was not under pressure or it was not for anything to achieve. It was just
It was just done.
pure joy.
Okay.
It was for his joy that I enjoyed putting it up as a record. I could see that he's achieving milestones very early. So he started walking when he was 7 months.
Okay.
8 months completely independent walking. And then tricycle or panda or something like that did not excite him. He just learned it on the day 1.
My
So I
God.
thought that he should have some curiosity of learning, and it should go for a little longer time. And cycle was his thing.
इनका क्या मतलब, how did you teach him to go for this? You did.
He learned how to navigate the handle by himself. Initial, that was the stage he learned. It's okay. He learned how to sit on the cycle slowly, and then his height was so small that he normally would cycle half pedal karke, and somehow he managed to go ahead. And one fine day it was like
He's
Zoom.
Okay. So आपका आगे के लिए क्या planning है? What he will do?
He's inspired me to buy a bicycle and
Wow.
be partner with
Uh-huh.
him and set new records
Good,
probably
good,
as a
good.
single mother.
Of course, of course. Acha, tell me,
Oh, wait.
from where did you get to know about IBR?
I didn't. I just went for the net,
Okay.
and then because everyone started noticing him while he was cycling.
He's doing so many
Yes, when he's doing cycling, so everyone was saying some or the other thing कि यार ये कैसे कर रहा है, कितना अच्छे से कर रहा है, और other mothers will be telling their kids, okay देखो उसको वो कैसे चला रहा है and all that, and then I
things.
just
The
googled.
source of inspiration for so many other children, isn't it?
So I just googled, saw who is the youngest to bicycle, and then IBR was the option to put in his entry. इसमें बात करना है बोल रहा है.
Okay.
Okay,
आप
I'll
बोलिए.
speak in this.
Yes.
Okay, what should I speak? Short. No, it is hers.
We are very happy to have you here. और कबीर के साथ हमें we enjoyed a lot. He's such a
He brings
cutie
lot
pie.
of
I
curiosity
know.
and joy to me as well. And I plan that, of course, everyone keeps on scaring me regarding the cycling on road. It's an entirely different game.
Of
This
course.
recording
It's a
was
safety
done.
thing,
Yes,
you know.
it's the safety thing.
Of course.
But I'm quite confident because he handles huddles quite good. So he's done this record with all the speed breakers and everything very nicely. He has passed that record, and I think he'll be quite good in navigating because I've seen his reflexes.
Right.
So he's not banged anyone yet, and he's always made his way out. So I hope he's very young as of now to put so much of trust, but some instinct I'm very confident about him that we'll ride together. That's what, yeah. That is my, and Pune, of course I stay in Pune, so it has a very good terrain
Right.
where we can try all this. He's yet to learn how to brake because his hands
He
are
will
too
do.
small
Of course,
to
he's
do
so
that.
small
Yeah.
and he's only 3.